Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are excited to share with you some amazing news about Microsoft Edge, which has recently included an artificial intelligence Open AI tool called ChatGPT into their browser itself. If you're someone like me who's using Google Chrome nowadays, a lot of us do, these other browsers like Microsoft Edge, Opera, they've been honestly doing some amazing work in the recent past, but they haven't been able to match or compete or beat Google Chrome in a lot of different ways, and their efforts have not been successful. But in my opinion, this recent change in the Microsoft Edge browser can be a game changer for them because, see, if they include OpenAI, if they include ChatGPT into their browser, which makes obviously your life easier and your browsing experience easier, I think it can be extremely helpful. More people who were not using Microsoft Edge or who haven't used Microsoft Edge ever, they might go ahead and switch to this platform, and this might increase the number of users that Microsoft Edge currently has. Great job, Microsoft. By the way, we're on my computer screen. We'll go ahead on my computer screen. I'll open up the browser. We'll explore this feature and a few different options that it comes with. I'll walk you through those options so you can see how the feature works, what are the benefits that this feature has for you in the browser, and how it can enhance your browsing experience. Lastly, if you're a Google Chrome user right now, should you or should you not consider switching to Microsoft Edge just because of this new feature that it has included now? Okay, so I am on my computer screen now and I've opened up Microsoft Edge. We can see here on the top right corner, this is the new feature. As I hover over my mouse cursor on it, it actually opens up this pop-up window. I can click on it or I can just move my cursor on it. There are three options here: Chat, Compose, and Insights. Let's explore them one by one. Chat is something that we'll get to later, but let's go to Insights first and see what that is. Under Insights, you can see trending searches. So it tells you what is being searched right now, and it is powered by, or data is taken from bing.com. Under Compose, you get the option to write. Now you can write about anything. So as it's giving you an example, write about convincing my friend to visit Mexico with me. And I can also set the tone. I can ask it to write in a professional tone, casual tone, enthusiastic, informative, or a funny tone. So I can tell it what the tone should be. And then the format. I can write a paragraph. I can choose to write in an email format, blog post format, or ideas in bullet points. And then the length. So it can be short, medium, long, and then I can create the generate the draft. So let's just go ahead and type an email. I'll ask it to write me an email to my boss asking for 3-day sick leave. And I'll ask it to write it in professional tone and email format, and I'll keep the length short, and I'll ask it to start generating. And this is the preview. It'll start generating in a moment and you'll see the preview here. Now currently it's composing that email. As you guys can see, it has already written the subject line, which was requesting for 3-day sick leave. Dear boss, I'm writing to inform you that I'm feeling unwell and need to take a 3-day sick leave. So although it's a little lengthier than I was expecting, I think it could have been more precise, but anyways, it is well written. It's a well written email. Sincerely, where it says your name, just add your name. I'll add Safir here, and there you go. Your email is ready. Just copy and paste it and you're good to go. It saves your time. Apart from that, as I said, you can write blog posts, paragraphs, emails, ideas, etc. Let's go to the third tab, which is the main tab. This is the chat tab. As I said, it uses ChatGPT. We get three different options here: creative, balanced, or precise. Let's keep it balanced and ask it to write something for us. So for example, I'm going to ask it to write me recipe. Let's just go ahead and ask it to write recipe of chicken biryani. Let's see what response we get. So it's balanced and it is currently generating the response. Let's see what we get as a response here. Searching for chicken biryani recipe, searching for how to make chicken biryani masala. I think it changed it slightly, but Here you go. So here's a recipe for chicken biryani that I found on BBC Food. So it picked this, like it's giving me the source where this data is coming from. So it tells me the ingredients, it tells me the instructions. So 1, 2, 3 in the number format. So step 1, 2, 3. So it is in steps. That's really good. And it's telling me you can also make your own biryani masala at home by following this recipe. So this is a recipe to make the biryani masala, although we just interested in this upper part, which is how to make chicken biryani, but it gives you extra information as well. And then it gives you more options to search what is biryani masala, what are some other types of biryani, etc, etc, but something that is available on the browser itself. So as you're surfing the internet, right, if you have to search for anything, you can just open it up. You have these 3 tabs available right here. Just type in your query or your question and ask it to help you with the answer. Get that answer. If you're, let's say, composing an email, get that data from here, copy it from here, put it in the email, and then send that email out. If you're typing a message, if you're actually on a website or writing a blog post, you can just get that data from here, copy it, paste it. It makes your life so much easier and more efficient, actually, because it takes you less time rather than going to another browser and doing it. I really like this feature, but I think if I use ChatGPT on one side and if I use this feature of Microsoft Edge on the other hand, for some reason, I don't know why, I still like ChatGPT better, because I think the responses are more accurate and more precise and more quick than if I like the ones that I get here. But if you haven't tried it yet, I would suggest you to go ahead and try this feature and let me know in the comments section, what do you think? If you compare ChatGPT with this feature of Microsoft Edge, which one do you think is better and why? And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do consider subscribing to the channel. I try and create, more and more of these videos, informative videos for you. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.